Hi, your student learned Barton Level 6, Lesson 11 today. So this is working with what we call silent E units. This is kind of one of those units that seems pretty easy when they learn it, but actually is one of the more difficult units in the book or lessons in the book. So I'm just going to go through what the rule cards look like so you can see what we learned today. So we have palace office, which says is at the end is spelled ACE or ICE. If your student isn't sure, they can look it up as IS at the end of the word if they're using the Franklin spell checker. Idge at the end, the sound idge at the end is spelled AGE as in the word package. In at the end is spelled INE most of the time. If you're not sure, look it up as IN in the word engine. And then we have chocolate opposite it at the end is ATE or ITE. If you're not sure, look it up as IT. Okay, so that's the rule that we learned. Let's switch into where your student might have this written down. They may have it written down in their personalized notebook. So they would have this section filled out. So it might say something like AGE, the keyword is package. And what it says we always use these brackets to indicate that's what it says, idge, like that. So in the section that has INE, you might have the INE in it. I know that's hard to see. Just make it bigger and bolder, but it would be your student writing in this. And the keyword for this would be engine or whatever they want. And what it says is it says in at the end. Good to know. We do have one syllable words where it's going to say ein, as in like mine. So I might write that as something that's good to know. This book is available for all 20% of club students. This is included in your curriculum. If you don't have this, make sure you let me know. This is on or about page 47. There are a couple revisions of this, so you might want to check. And if you are not part of the 20% club, this is available in my TPT store. Okay, moving on, we are going to go into the extra practice pages. So we will switch gears again here and we'll start with 611 extra practice pages. So find the correctly spelled word. You might need to use your spell checker for this. So I'll quickly go through just so you have the key. It's going to be notice, chocolate, grimace, necklace, definite, palace, and granite for this one. So your student should look these up. For if you're trying to use a spell checker, I would look it up. The word like chocolate, I would look up it as just IT, and is I would look up as IS, as in like palace or office. Okay, draw a line from the first part of the word in the first column to the silent E unit. That will turn it into a real word. So we're going to do the word masculine, front edge, approximate, composite, novice, preface, and passage right here. Okay, so that is the answer key for that one. The last one, circle each silent E unit. So for, just because I'm going to go fast here, I'm just simply going to underline them, okay? Idge, it, idge, 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 it, idge, idge. Then write the smaller related word on the blank. Okay, so plumage is plume, imagine is image, pack compose for composite, passion, bag, or bag, bag. There we go, without my Minnesota accent. Bag. Store, dose, shrink, affect, or affection, pilgrim, and lug. Okay, so those are the answers for that one. And we will move into fluency drills, and you know the drill. You know the drill. Accuracy over speed, work on vocabulary, take control of the words by dividing them. Guessing is not reading. Okay, so maybe pillage is a word that they don't know. I would divide. This is going to be short. Pillage, pillage. I might talk about the vocabulary of that word. I might have them use it in a sentence, stuff like that. Okay, so we are looking for accuracy. And again, we're looking for accuracy. Here's a good one, desolate. Your student would probably divide it the most common way, and it would look like this. And this would say desolate, so that is not accurate. They know that about 70% of the time you will have to move it to the other side. That will create your real word, which is desolate, desolate, desolate. Okay. So that is it for lesson 6 or lesson 11 in level 6. Have a great day.